Thank you for joining me. I'm Patrick Schmitt, and welcome to the final session of my 7 Days of Prosecco, which sees me turn the tables as I ask you, how much do you now know about Prosecco? So, for my last day, I'm going to quiz you on the key aspects of Prosecco and find out what you've learned from this week-long educational series. So, to start, what is Prosecco? Well, it's a place in northeastern Italy, spanning around 30,000 hectares, that's famous for the production of sparkling wine made from a grape variety called Glera. What is the difference between Prosecco DOC and Prosecco DOCG? Prosecco DOC stands for Designation of Controlled Origin, or in the original Italian, Denominazione di Origine Controllata, and accounts for around 85% of production. Prosecco DOCG accounts for the other 15% of production, with the G standing for Garantita, which means that the Prosecco is superior than a DOC because it hails from a designation of controlled origin and it's been guaranteed. Why does Prosecco sparkle? The fizziness in Prosecco comes from the fact that the wine is made in a sealed stainless steel container that traps the carbon dioxide gas released during fermentation. Prosecco can be fully sparkling, called spumante, or semi-sparkling, which is termed frizzante. How should Prosecco taste? Prosecco should be refreshing, with medium-sized soft bubbles and a slight sweetness. In terms of flavours, you should expect ripe, fresh orchard fruits such as apples, pears and peaches. It is best drunk in its youth, preferably as soon as it is released onto the market. Why does my dry Prosecco taste sweet? In sparkling wine terminology, the word dry is used to signify a fizz with 17 to 32 grams per litre of residual sugar, which, while low compared to a soft drink such as cola, is quite a lot of sweetness for a wine. It's also a higher level than Brut, which is, along with Extra Brut or Brut Nature, the driest style of sparkling wine. However, most Prosecco is made in the extra dry style, which means that it's drier than dry, but sweeter than Brut. Who makes the best Prosecco? Great Proseccos can be enjoyed from brands such as Zonin 1821, Osco de Cermiole, Massio de Cavalieri, Giusti, Villa Sandi, Bottega, Astoria, Canavel, Colosel, Fosmarai, and in particular, my two standout producers of 2020, Andriolo and Bisol 1542. However, for a broader range of names, look up the Prosecco Masters on thedrinksbusiness.com and you can see all the medalists from this year's competition, which is the largest Prosecco tasting in the UK. And finally, where can I find out more about Prosecco? Well, simply type into a search engine the phrase everything you need to know about Prosecco and you can look through my guide to the fizz on thedrinksbusiness.com, which is the most widely read news site in the wine trade. So, all that's left for me to say is thank you very much for joining me and, for the final time, salute.